Yeah, man.
I'm live, Nigel.
You're on live.
Are you messing with me? I'm working.
Yeah, man. Jessica in the workshop once more again. She's making some bath bomb today. So, yeah. And I just hear thunder a while ago for the first time in California. I never know the thunder roll here. It's raining. See? The sky's all cloudy. Yeah, man. Getting some thunder and lightning today, so pretty cool.
Hey, Angel. Hey, Gail.
Yeah, chilling today, Jessica making bath bomb. And I'm getting ready for the show. I hope it doesn't rain.
Where are we going this weekend, babe?
We're going to Rancho Cucamonga,
To Victoria Gardens.
Victoria Gardens. And then we're going to the KW Vegan Fair. We're supposed to go on Saturday. And then Tyler Mall on Sunday.
I don't know if I want to go to Tyler by myself. If it's going to be...
It might be raining, so
I
might not go. Yeah. I hope it's not raining. Yeah, man. So what you got going on here, Jessica?
The many shades of lavender today.
Uh-huh.
So I have lavender, 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 lavender.
So it's all lavender. Okay.
Yes, the many shades of lavender.
Oh, they even have a two-color lavender today.
Yeah, man.
Cool. All right. Yeah, man. Yeah, we're watching the weather here. You can see it's a lot of rain. I didn't want any TV in the workshop, but Jessica chose to put it out here, so.
Yeah, because you know what?
Okay.
I like to make my backgrounds, watch my Lifetime, watch a little bit of the news, and I don't mess with nobody. So this is my little thing that I like to do.
Okay.
It relaxes me, so I don't go off on everybody.
So you don't go off?
Yeah, I like having the TV in here, but Nigel doesn't like having the TV in here.
Yeah, it distracts me because,
But you get
I want to just focus on work, right? Because there's so much things going through my mind that, I hear something and it triggers something, and I hear this and it triggers that, and I hear this and it triggers that. So I'm like, oh, I could do this, or I could do that. So it's a little too much sometimes. I have to just stay focused.
I understand.
That's the name of the game.
But today you're not working in here. Today.
No, not
you're
yet.
just troubling me
not
today.
Yet,
that's what you've been doing.
Because I already did my, all of my setup and wrote down everything and while I got over there, so I did my job already. I'm actually waiting for almonds from Jamaica.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say you're waiting for bath bombs.
No, well, yeah, I am waiting for bath bombs too. Yeah.
And we're waiting for almonds. Hey, let's wrap up the lives because let's check that tracking number again.
Okay.
All right, bye, you guys.
All right, guys, you hear the boss. So let's wrap it up because we gotta check the almonds, see how far the almonds are. Yeah, man. We're supposed to get 50 pounds of almonds from Jamaica, so we're just waiting for it. So okay, all right, guys. Take care. One love. Yeah, man. Enough respect. All right. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for being a part of our life. Love, harmony. Remember to check us out at www.nigelsjamaicanalmondworld.com. All right. Our Jamaican Almonds on Instagram. Yeah, man. Take care, guys. One love. Enough respect. All right. Bye-bye.